Hey guys, let me show you how to use built-in compass on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So firstly, let's unlock the phone by entering a passcode. And now go in settings, where we need to find section display. Select it, scroll down till you see Edge Panel section. Click it to enable, and now go in panels, where we need to add not only apps but also tools, and click on edit and turn on to use location data. Let's go back again, and now go in the main screen, and now you need to swipe to the left from the side in which these volume up and down buttons are placed. So just like this. And swipe again to go in tools. And here is your compass. Now you can see your location, your coordinates, and rotate your phone to see where you're going. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.